In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use hex codes in Canva. If you want perfectly consistent brand colors or you're matching a specific shade from a logo or website, hex codes are the most reliable way to do it. A hex code is a 6-digit color value that starts with a hashtag, like hashtag FF5733. You can grab these from your brand guidelines, a color picker tool, or by sampling a color elsewhere and copying the code. Start by selecting the element you want to recolor. This can be text, a shape, a background, or any graphic that supports color changes. Click directly on the item so it's highlighted. For text, make sure the text box is selected. If you only want part of the text to change, highlight just those characters. For a background, click on an empty area of the page so the background itself is selected. Next, open the color picker. Look at the top toolbar for the color icon. It appears as a small colored square or circle. If you've selected text, you'll see the text color icon. If you've selected a shape or graphic, you'll see the color tile for that element. Click that icon to open the color panel. If your element has multiple color layers, you'll see several color swatches. Choose the one you want to change. Now add a custom color. In the color panel, click the plus sign or the Add a New Color button. This opens a field where you can type a specific color value. Enter your hex code in the field, including the hashtag at the beginning. For example, type FF5733, not just FF5733. Uppercase or lowercase letters both work, and the code should be exactly 6 characters after the hashtag. If you paste a code, make sure there are no extra spaces before or after it. You'll see a live preview of the shade as you type. If the code isn't valid, Canva will indicate it, so double-check for typos. Finally, apply the color. Press Enter on your keyboard or simply click anywhere outside the panel. The exact color will be applied to your selected element right away. Canva will also add that color to your Recent Colors section in the panel, so you can reuse it without retyping the code. If you work with the same palette frequently, consider organizing your colors for quick access using Canva's brand features, if available to you. That's all there is to it. Select your element, open the color picker, add a new color, enter the hex with the hashtag, and apply. With this method, your designs will stay precise and consistent across every project.